It's a great day. My name is Shay Brown, the happy entrepreneur and the host of the #1 business development and revenue focused late night show in the country. And I'm so excited. I'm just getting up. I'm in the hotel room. Want to say good morning to everyone. Let you know I'm pumped. I'm excited. Today we kick off the Success Women's Conference 2019. 2,000 plus women who've all come together from all over the world, really just do one thing, and that is to inspire, to empower, and to let folks know that it's your time, and it's time to step up. And you're not gonna believe this, by the way. Well, then I gotta get my talk, right? And I've got to talk about how to build a 7-figure sales team. So there's a lot going on. It's all day today, all day tomorrow, and all day Thursday. I want y'all to kind of understand it's not always cool, right? You know, just get up every day and just you show up a certain way. You start off in the morning and then you gotta get going. So I'm gonna take y'all on a journey. I'm gonna let y'all see what happens that's good. I'm gonna let you see what happens that's not good, or what went well and what didn't go so well. So I'm gonna let you see it all, man. So hang out, let's just have a good time. There's Tiffany, Success Women's Conference, 2,000 plus folks. Oh, it's going down, it's going down. All right, let me just go back here and see what's going on. Oh, there we go, okay, I'm heading on down now. What? Oh, MC Shay Brown. You know, this is the first time ever. Can you make sure my name's spelled right? Nope, that's what it says. It says MC Shay Brown for the conference. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. It's showtime, man, it's showtime. Well, it's a great day. My name is Shay Brown, the happy entrepreneur and the host of the #1 business development and revenue focused late night show in the country, the Happy Entrepreneur Show. And I'm super excited because we're here at the Success Conference. Look, y'all got to check this thing out. These ladies, what they put together, who they brought in is just super incredible. And Karen, Dorothy, and of course Tiffany, to be a part of this is amazing. I don't know if y'all can see this. This is the schedule. Don't give them too much, but they got Iyanna Van Zandt. They got Gloria Mayfield Banks. They got Deborah Gardner. They got Cheryl Wood. I'm gonna tell you, and they got amazing, not speakers, not authors, not coaches, but trainers are here to train us. Look, I'm really, really blessed. I'm really unfortunate. I'll say, good morning, Success Conference! Except I won't have to yell. I can say, good morning, Success Conference! See, I don't have to yell. Everybody repeat after me. Success 19. See, now when Sean comes up, I might have Sean in the wings. Before he comes on, we might do his jingle, which is play to win, play to win, play to win. So before Sean comes on, I think I'm gonna come here. Or should I come in the center? I'm gonna go to the center, I'm gonna plant, and I'm gonna say what? Play to win. Repeat after me. Play to win. Play to win. Now, since y'all get loud enough, we're gonna bring Play to win. Play to win. Let's get it for none other than the one and only Sean Harper. He's gonna run out inside or wherever he's gonna be. So that's the test run. We're getting ready. That's why you gotta get here early. You got Crystal, you got Lo, you got the crew here. They got here like 3 hours before I did. I'm just getting here right now. Well, it's a great day. My name is Shay Brown, the happy entrepreneur, and I'm here with none other than the one and only. Are you cheesing for the camera? We are like behind the scenes.
Cheesing for the camera.
This is the first cheese. We're like behind the camera. This is like behind the scenes. It's different because I start with it's the Shay Brown, the happy entrepreneur. Look, we're at Success Conference.
Yep.
You're here.
Absolutely.
All these women are here. Are you single still?
I'm still single.
Oh, okay.
I'm at an all-women's conference.
I'm not single. He's single. Now,
I'm single.
The point I want to make is, we're going to be talking about one.
I mean, this is just absolutely amazing. I'm just excited to be on. Be talking about the power of online online courses. So I'm going to be talking. See, Shay, you make me nervous, man.
Look behind the scenes, man. They love being behind the scenes. They like this stuff.
But listen, Dorothy, Karen, Tiffany, you put on an amazing event. I'm excited. Thank you so much for having me here. This is just absolutely amazing.
Why? Because it would improve your relationships. Why? And here's the most important part. You'll be able to do more for others. My good friend Delator Manil says you can make $1 and a difference at the same time, and that's what Success Conference is doing. Look, my name is Shay Brown. I gotta go because we're hanging out and the conference is about to kick off. Karen, Dorothy, Tiffany, I'll see you later. Much love. Make it a great day, everyone. We're gonna make some good things happen. We connect again next time. Again, my name is Shay Brown, the happy entrepreneur. God bless.
listen, baby.